Before we begin phasing capacitive test points using the Bierer PD50 all-purpose utility meter, we want to take a few minutes and do a visual inspection of all the tool components. Make sure the meter probe is free from any dirt, grease, cracks, or any deep scratches that may impair the built-in safety features of the tool. Also take a few moments to inspect the second probe and the interconnect cable in the same manner as the meter probe. Once all the visual inspections are complete, perform a self-test on the meter probe by turning the selector switch to the test switch position and hold it there for a couple seconds to determine the internal 9-volt DC battery voltage level. This meter displays a 90, so that means the internal battery has 9 volts. If the meter displays a 70, which is 7 volts or lower, it's time to replace the battery. After the self-test, connect the interconnect cable and attach the live-line tool adapters. In this demonstration, we're using our Bierer universal stick adapters so we can perform what's called a known voltage test. In this demonstration, we're using the Bierer 3 kV power supply, which will test the meter probe circuitry, the interconnect cable, and the second probe for a complete and extremely safe 100% high potential test. When phasing capacitive test points using the PD50, since it is an extremely accurate within 1% true RMS high voltage meter, check each capacitive test point to ground and first determine if the capacitive test point is energized and/or in good condition. Also, we want to determine if any dissimilar voltages are present due to different manufactured elbows. Note how the readings of these capacitive test points are very similar potentials, less than 10 volts of separation. That is because they are from the same manufacturer and also of the same age. After we have checked all the capacitive test points potential to ground, we can begin phasing. Note, when phasing capacitive test points, the difference of potential on the same phase will rarely, if ever, read 0 volts, even using the same manufacturer capacitive test points. But if we check capacitive test points out of phase, the reading will always exceed our capacitive test point to ground readings, clearly indicating our in-phase and out-of-phase capacitive test points. Remember, always check the operation of the PD50 after your work is finished to verify proper tool operation. We appreciate you taking your time to watch our PD50 capacitive test point phasing video, and if you have any questions or issues using our PD50 all-purpose utility meter, please don't hesitate to contact us at customer_service@bierermeters.com, or you can call us at 803-786-4839. Stay safe and have a great day.